Go through the drive-thru. Oh, it's weird. It's sunny now.
Not my face, though.
Now let's check in now with WBDM Mike Krauser. He's been in Alice all morning and Stroud Library.
First up, tough to the tall campus in the Lincoln Park neighborhood. You take 19 inches of snow and it's growing 50 to 70
Trucks over there.
serious drifting. I am deep-side freezing up here on the north crazy. 5 feet in the middle of the street. These side streets are not permitting plows anytime soon. Most cars on the side streets are not touched by a plow. Completely snowed in. It's just astonishing how much snow is up on the the OEMC director
Hey, Ava.
was Ignaciano and the reason the place for everyone.
You'll look back on this day, but only on video. Oh shit, look at that thing.
That same car that's trying to pass everyone, isn't it?
No, it's somewhere else actually, but there's...
Check on the